Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can draw a curved line in your presentations on LibreOffice Impress. So let us dive into this. Head over to presentation, and here at the top you will see this curves and polygons menu next to the connectors and the straight lines and arrows menu. So between them, click into that arrow down icon and select one of these two options, curve filled or standard curve. I will go standard curve, and after that the cursor will switch its appearance, as you can see. So left click to set your start point and hold your left mouse to drag your line and set the end point. Now you can, for example, set the next end point by left clicking, and you will see that there will be these curves. By doing that, you can draw your curves. Now, if you, for example, hold your left mouse and move that handle like this, for instance, you may adjust the curving effect, the angle, for instance, and that's how you do it. Set these points by left clicking, and if you hold your left mouse, as previously mentioned, you may adjust the curving effect. So let me switch back to the select tool or remove that. Curved line, that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.